Tagging of layout tables with Saxayo MadeToTag. The table feature is often used for content that's semantically not a table. One common example I know is the uses for table functions for info boxes. Quite often they are used, for example, to define distances or lines a better way, but from the semantic point of view, a table with one column is never semantically appropriate table. The best way is to avoid to use a table function for such content. But if you are forced to use it for several reasons, you need to be aware that InDesign exports a table tagged as a table. So if you like to have it as non-table content in your tagged PDF, you can use the function of layout table in MadeToTag. It's quite easy to do so. You just go inside the table, place a cursor, and then you use the table is layout table function. You just activate it and then the content will be exported as non-tagged as a table. My second example is a little bit more challenging. In this case we have more columns and more rows. You need to be aware, if you now use the function table is layout table, MadeToTag will export the content in a reading order line by line. So my first element will be launch menu. The second one will be a logo. The third one will be status. If your reading order will not correspond to this, there is no possibility to change this. You need to rearrange your table or, once again, just avoid to use a table function. During the export, MadeToTag will replace the table tagging content with some div tags. That's not a problem because div tags do not have any meaning in tagged PDF. After the PDF export, I will show you the results with Adobe Acrobat and Colors PDF Go HTML. Now I opened the PDF, which I exported with MadeToTag in Adobe Acrobat. If you take a look inside the tags window, you will see that there is no table structure left. Instead, you will find a lot of div tags. Div tags have no meaning, so you can use them to place any content inside. To have a better visual view, I will make use of the plugin called Colors PDF Go HTML, which renders me a HTML page in my browser. As you can see here too, there is no table structure left. I only have normal text content, which I tagged with H1, H2, and some other stuff is tagged with a P tag. An assistive technology will now read my originally table content as normal text.